Have an old card saved on Lyft that you no longer use? Or maybe you got a new card and want to clean things up? Whatever the reason, removing a payment method on Lyft is super simple. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Lyft app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the sidebar menu, select Payment. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved payment methods. Lyft won't allow you to delete a card that's currently set as default. So first, add a new card or choose another existing card. Then, set it as your default by tapping Make Default. Now, tap on the card you want to delete. Tap Delete Card, confirm when asked, and you're done. No more outdated cards on your account. Easy and quick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.